The Washington, D.C. housing market, it really does continue to surprise me. Today is Sunday, April 13th, and I decided to go out and do a little open house tour to get a sample of what kind of energy was in the housing market. And you would think with the stock market just falling apart, with interest rates rising, with all the fears of government cutbacks and spending, that I would show up and it'd be a ghost town. But it was surprisingly very active, and it was very active at many different price points and different asset classes, and including condos, although there were two that I went to that were slower than I maybe would have expected, certainly slower than others. But when I speak with buyers, what I would say is many of them, a big bucket of them are like, my job's fine. Other people think they can be a little opportunistic, right? Less competition. They think maybe they won't have to pay as much. And then others have just been renting for so long and rents have been rising that rent to buy comparison, especially mixing in tax savings, like they get it. And it's kind of like, yeah, it's time for me to buy, right? Life takes over. Now, if I go back and I look at all the contracts that we've accepted this past week, or the ones that have been written, I would say that there are opportunistic buyers. There are contracts that I see and the offer goes in and I'm like, there's no chance. And all of a sudden it gets accepted. I'm like, whoa. So surprising that some of these prices went maybe as low as they did. And then others where the seller's just being stubborn and like, no, I'm holding my price. So anyway, let me know what you're seeing out there, what you're feeling. I do think the market's a little stronger than people are giving it credit for. So curious to get your thoughts.